The Nephilim. The interaction between sons of God and the daughters of humans. The word Nephilim is an ancient term that appears in the Bible, specifically in the book of Genesis in the Old Testament. The Nephilim are described as the offspring of the interaction between the sons of God, sometimes interpreted as heavenly beings, and the daughters of humans. They are sometimes regarded as mysterious creatures or giants. Embark on a captivating video journey exploring the enigmatic Nephilim, beings from ancient texts and mythologies that have sparked intrigue throughout history. This video delves into their unique blend of divine and human attributes, examining their significance across cultures and time. Through history, religion, and archaeology, it seeks to uncover their role in shaping ancient civilizations and the ongoing human quest for understanding. Join in unraveling mysteries and bridging the gap between the ordinary and the extraordinary as the Nephilim's presence continues to inspire curiosity. In ancient texts, the Nephilim stand as a symbol of the mysterious and the extraordinary, challenging our understanding of ancient history. The Nephilim, born from the union of celestial and earthly, blur the line between myth and reality, inviting us to explore the realms beyond. Legends of the Nephilim remind us that our curiosity about the unknown has deep roots in humanity's earliest stories. The Nephilim, as enigmatic figures, embody the idea of beings that bridge the realms of gods and mortals. The Nephilim are a reminder that ancient narratives hold keys to unlocking the mysteries of our origins and the dimensions beyond. Whether giants or symbolic figures, the Nephilim resonate across cultures, a testament to their enduring allure. The tale of the Nephilim underscores the timeless human fascination with hybrid beings and the blending of different worlds. As the Nephilim stand at the intersection of mythology and history, they beckon us to question the boundaries of belief and reality. The concept of the Nephilim speaks to humanity's innate desire to understand our place in the cosmos and our connection to the divine. Stories of the Nephilim challenge us to explore the unknown corners of our imagination and the depths of our ancient past. The Nephilim, offspring of heavenly and earthly realms, evoke wonder and curiosity about the possibilities beyond our understanding. In the tapestry of ancient myths, the Nephilim represent a thread connecting human aspirations to the divine. The Nephilim's presence in ancient texts fuels debates about the interplay between spirituality, science, and the unexplained. As shadows of the past, the Nephilim beckon us to contemplate the blurred boundaries between the tangible and the mystical. The enigma of the Nephilim underscores the enduring human quest for answers about our origins and the universe. Legends of the Nephilim remind us that the stories we tell hold the power to shape our perceptions of history and reality. The Nephilim, with their celestial lineage, invite us to ponder the potential intersections of different realms. The Nephilim's legacy endures, challenging us to seek deeper truths hidden within the layers of ancient narratives. The tale of the Nephilim speaks to the human need to weave narratives that connect the extraordinary with the mundane. Stories of the Nephilim invite us to explore the boundaries of faith, myth, and the mysteries that lie beyond. The Nephilim, regardless of their origin, symbolize the allure of the unknown and our desire to grasp the secrets of the past. Through the lens of the Nephilim, we glimpse the capacity of human imagination to transcend time and envision the extraordinary. The Nephilim challenge conventional understanding, encouraging us to embrace the complexity and diversity of ancient belief systems. Legends of the Nephilim persist as a testament to humanity's ever-present curiosity about the forbidden and the extraordinary. The Nephilim's presence in mythology reflects the human tendency to weave fantastical narratives as a way to explore our deepest questions. In conclusion, this journey through the world of the Nephilim has illuminated their enduring allure and enigmatic presence in human history. Across cultures and time, they symbolize the interplay between myth and reality, challenging our understanding of the past. Whether literal or symbolic, the Nephilim's significance as bridge builders between the ordinary and extraordinary persists, inspiring curiosity and contemplation. As we part ways with this exploration, we carry with us a reminder of the mysteries that continue to shape our understanding of our origins and the boundless realms of human imagination. The Nephilim. The interaction between sons of God and the daughters of humans. Please subscribe to the channel.